Alright, welcome to Learning with Python. Today we'll be going over one of the most important things, the print function. The print function is a type of function where someone could write a message and a question inside the machine code. It's pretty important and very simple to understand. A lot of Python projects are made with using the print function. So, alright, now let me show you a live demonstration of me teaching you. So this is a new project. Type out print, parentheses. This is a divided choice, but you can type singular quotes or double quotes. It's judged by what you want. But I prefer typing double quotes. Alright, let's type a message. Now, you can press the play button, or in your PC and computer, you can press a run button. But this is only for mobile users, so yeah. Alright, we press the play button. It shows to our program in our program. Alright, this is very simple. You can do so many things with the print function. You can type numbers, but you can't do equations. You cannot type equations. Forgot to record that, sorry. Print can do so many important things. So there's going to be a relatively simple video, but this video style is going to be introduced for half of the lessons.